This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 77. Rest is not the opposite of progress. Why stopping allows movement. In survival, rest feels dangerous. Stillness is interpreted as loss. Pausing feels like falling behind. So the system learns. Keep going, don't stop. Stopping equals risk. But biologically, this is backwards. Progress is not created by constant movement. It is created by recovery between movements. Rest is not inactivity. Rest is regulation. When the nervous system rests, it is not shutting down, it is recalibrating. Signals settle, noise reduces, resources redistribute. This is where integration happens. Without rest, effort becomes noise. Action loses direction. Motivation depletes. With rest, movement regains meaning. Rest tells the system, there is no emergency. We survived this cycle. We can continue safely. This is why rest restores capacity instead of stealing momentum. Progress is not a straight line. It is a rhythm. Move, stop, integrate, move again. When rest is trusted, the body allows progress to continue. Not faster, but cleaner. Rest is not the opposite of progress. It is what allows progress to exist. Next episode. Why consistency fails when safety is missing. Thank you.